Hello everyone, I'm Vivek from K4 Metrics and we support SmartUQ in India. In part one of this Spatial Temporal Emulator series, we saw what data is required to create a Spatial Temporal Emulator and how we can obtain it. We ended the video with loading these three data, that is the input file, the output file that contains the spatial variables like density, momentum x, momentum y, and the grid point coordinates. So I'll be using this now to create the spatial temporal emulator. So for that, I'll go to the inlet option and I'll select spatial temporal emulator. For the input, I'll select the X matrix. For the output, I'll select the Y matrix. And for spatial coordinates, I'll select the coordinate matrix. Now, the coordinate matrix has the X coordinate, Y coordinate, and the grid point number. So I would not require the grid point number, so I'll only select X and Y here. And you can see that there are 5233 grid points. So I have to subset the column till 5233. That would be the first variable, that is density. Once I'm done with selecting all the files, I'll just click on submit and I let SmartUQ create the emulator. I had paused the recording so that SmartUQ create the emulator. I'm using a very modest hardware, that is it's about 8 GB of RAM, and for this set of data it took about 20 minutes to create the spatial temporal emulator, and it has created three components within it. So one is the training validation, one is the principal component analysis, and the third is the actual emulator. So this concludes this video. In the next video I'll be showing how I can use this emulator to predict the value of density for a new set of grid point coordinates. So if you have any questions on whatever I have shown here, drop a comment down or reach out to us at support@ksometrics.com.